PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is a licensed commercial HVAC contractor in Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. Offer high-quality service to commercial customers. We service, repair, and install commercial heating, cooling, and refrigeration systems from all major brands of HVAC systems. Call our commercial HVAC contractor today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is commercial HVAC preventive maintenance? Preventative maintenance is a framework for managing the operation of your commercial HVAC systems in order to avoid unexpected breakdowns. How long does a commercial AC compressor last? Commercial HVAC compressors last 8 to 10 years or more, with decreasing efficiency after the 5th year. Water-cooled chillers have a lifespan of 20 to 30 years, while air-cooled chillers have a lifespan of 15 to 20 years. What is your service area for the Conshohocken, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial HVAC contractors have served Conshohocken, Bala-Cynwyd, Mequon, Roxborough, Shawmont Valley, Belmont Hills, Manayunk, Winfield Heights, Belmont Village, Bala, Wissahickon, Lafayette Hill, Oak Hill, Marion Station, Chamonix, Overbrook. Where is your Conshohocken, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC contractor office located? We are located at 100 Presidential Boulevard number 303, Bala-Cynwyd, Pennsylvania 19004. Our phone number is 610-672-3049. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/presidential-boulevard-bala-cynwyd-hvac-service.